It beyond any doubt appears like Europe gets a considerable measure of cool outdoors vehicles. A year ago we saw VW flaunt a definitive advancement of a camper van, and this year, Mercedes is getting in on the outdoors amusement with a couple of X-Class pickup truck ideas, done up for the procession, engine, Touristik, CMT, up here in Stuttgart. One has a genuinely ordinary camper setup, while alternate has an in vogue cooking setup that would be an ideal supplement to outdoors and tents. The other idea has less ability, however a substantially more smart execution. It originates from VanEssa Mobilcamping, and it includes a 551-pound slide-out kitchen framework. It has a cooler, sink and capacity for all assortment of cookware. It fits totally inside the truck, quaint little in-out past the back end for utilize. It likewise fits underneath the tasteful teak wood bed blanket. Luckily, the kitchen unit doesn't take up the whole bed, either, so there's still space for different outdoors things. As cool as these ideas seem to be, don't anticipate that them will come to America at any point in the near future, since Mercedes-Benz has no plans to convey the X-Class pickup to America. Be that as it may, we can in any case appreciate them from a far distance.